So last month, April 4, 2024, I'm proudly saying that I was able to bring my niece. Nadala ko yung pamangkin ko dito sa Germany. Hi everyone, Andy here and welcome to my channel. For those who doesn't know me yet, I'm Andres Sumaya, a Filipino, and I live in two countries, Germany and Switzerland. My partner is a German national and we have an apartment in Bonn, Germany, but we live and work here in Switzerland. I'm already 5 years resident here in Europe, both Germany and Switzerland. Now, so much for that. Back to our topic, is a way to bring our relatives here in Europe, especially in Germany. So ano ba yung pinakamabisang paraan upang madala natin yung mga relatives natin dito sa bansang Germany? So last month, April 4, 2024, I'm proudly saying that I was able to bring my niece. Nadala ko yung pamangkin ko dito sa Germany. So here's a video clip during her arrival in Zurich International Airport last April 4, 2024.
Fine, klar.
So for clarification, her visa entry here in Germany is German Visa Type D. So since nandito naman kami sa Switzerland, and then Type D naman yung visa niya, so dito na lang kami nag-book ng flight papunta from Manila papuntang Zurich, and then dito namin siya sinundo, and then after a week is hinatid namin siya sa Bonn, Germany. She can't stay here longer in Switzerland because her visa is a German visa. But Switzerland is a part of Schengen country, and she can, if she wanted to go here and visit us, she can immediately go us and visit us here in Switzerland. There's no problem at all. So since may apartment kami doon sa Bonn, Germany, at wala namang nakatira doong iba, so siya muna ang titira doon pansamantala. Possibly you're gonna ask me what type of visa we applied for my pamangkin. Paano siya nakapunta dito sa Europe or sa Germany? Actually, at first, nag-inquire talaga ako, nag-research talaga ako. Nag-email ako directly sa German Embassy Manila kung ano ba ang process upang madala ko yung pamangkin ko dito sa bansang Germany. As we all know, it's us for Filipino, it's very difficult for us to enter here in Europe, especially here in Germany. But there's a lot of option how to enter here in Germany. Like me, way back 2019, my entry visa here was a marriage visa. So, pakasalan jay, anak jay. So, I'm thinking marriage visa is not applicable to my pamangkin because wala naman siyang boyfriend na AFAM or wala naman siyang husband na German citizen. So, our second option was tourist visa. But as we all know, if tourist visa, the maximum days is 90 days. And it means that after 90 days, you're gonna go back in the country where you live. So, babalik talaga siya sa Pilipinas. And lastly, our third option was au pair visa. So as we all know, napakahirap maghanap ng host family. At ang au pair visa is valid up to 1 year. So it means after 1 year, babalik talaga siya sa Pilipinas. So until I got a response email from the German Embassy Manila, and they advised me to use language visa for my pamangkin. And I'm so thankful to German Embassy Manila because they send me the information and the requirements on how to apply language visa. So as soon as possible, I receive all the requirements, kung ano ba yung requirements na needed from me dito sa Germany, at isisend ko yon sa pamangkin ko. So I gather all the documents that we needed here in Germany and I send it to my pamangkin. Sa part naman ng pamangkin ko, she gather or comply all the requirements that we needed sa Pilipinas para makomplete namin yung requirements sa language visa. So after we completed all the requirements of language visa, nag-set agad yung pamangkin ko ng appointment sa German Embassy Manila at agad nagpa-interview siya sa German Embassy Manila. So from Bohol, lumipad talaga yung pamangkin ko from Bohol to Makati just for the visa interview. And then after that, they said a maximum of 2 months for the result. Just wait for 2 months for the result. And so after 2 months, she got approved. Na-receive na yung visa niya. And then last April 4, 2014, last month, lumipad talaga siya dito sa Zurich at sinundo namin, guys. Ganon. So as of this time, my pamangkin is already living and studying the language in Bonn, Germany. I hope na makapasa siya sa language and then maka-work agad. So guys, for all questions, clarification, and any violent reaction regarding language visa, I'm planning to make a continuation of this video for the answer of your question. Just comment down below and I'm so happy to respond all your queries. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope may natutunan kayo, and please guys, do me a favor to click like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next soon. So welcome to Switzerland. Charot lang. Oh my God, Ria is here. Welcome to Switzerland. Kung nangulba dyan ko kayo guys. Oh my God, dugay ko malusot. Giatot.